Hi everybody, it's Anissa Lamaro. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I miss you guys so much. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And for my love bugs, it has been years. It has been almost 3 years since 2022 that I've been on my channel, and honey, things have changed. And so I wanted to really start off the year strong. I just wanted to kind of pick up where we left off a couple of years ago. Let's talk about this hair on top of my head. If you recall, I was transitioning into my natural hair color because I had done some things, child, some unhealthy things to my hair. And this is just a better way to go, to be completely honest. It's just chopping all of it off and starting over. So just going back to 2022, Rachel colored my hair black. I didn't want it black. I wanted it as close to my hair color as possible, but you know, we rolled with it. The black eventually faded out. She gave me a nice cut. I mean, about right here. I just let it grow out, cut it, let it grow out, cut it. But my homegirl, Monica of Mono's Hair, I'm like, oh, I have a friend who has a license to do hair. So it just made sense. You know, I have a mortgage to pay. She's done my hair before. She's amazing. Everybody knows Mono's Hair. By the time July of 2024 got here, I was like, my birthday's coming up. Like, my hair was so super long. And so I was like, it's grown to a point where if we cut it, it's a cut, but it's not like a big chop, right? She cut my bob July of 2024 and I haven't looked back. She cut it about right here and it grew into a lob by Christmas time. And so I was like, do I want to just continue to let it grow back out, or do I want to keep my bob for a little bit longer? And I'm like, I want to keep it a little bit longer. Like, it really helped me with my schedule. I am an interior designer. I'm the founder and owner of the Creative Peach Studios. We'll get into that. My schedule is insane and it's unpredictable, and I need a hair regimen that is just simple. I don't want to spend hours or an hour or however long detangling my hair. It's easy to maintain. So I have been keeping my hair in this cut for 8 months. I actually just cut it again. Me and my boyfriend cut it. we recut it because I did not feel like driving out to go to Mo. It was a holiday season. I was just like, maybe we can knock it out. So we did. It is so easy to maintain. I will be sharing all of my new hair tools, my favorite shampoos now, my favorite deep conditioners, like my hair oils, like all of those things. For right now, like, this is where I am. This is my natural hair color. And then in the front, my hair is like a sandy brown, and it actually naturally bleaches in the sun. So that's why it's much lighter in the front than it is in the back. So this is freshly washed, like maybe 2 days ago. But I washed it, blow dried it, flat ironed it, and then today I put in some Velcro rollers. And I actually did film that, me styling this today. So that'll be on my shorts next week. Yeah, this is the back of my hair. Let me get a little close. A lot of times what I'll just do is, let me see if I'm in frame. I'll just kind of paddle brush it. I use paddle brush a lot. And fluff it. Yeah, and then just kind of like brush it down like that. And there's a lot of different ways that I wear my hair. I typically wear it like this, but the great thing about when you put the rollers in it is you can transform it and just like make it into something completely different that's like very almost like architectural, and really give yourself a lot of body. So there's a lot of tips and tricks that I want to kind of show you guys as I getting more active on YouTube, because I miss y'all. You know what I'm saying? So let me fix it back so we can get through the rest of this video. This is where we are, and it is very short, especially like in the back. Like, baby, she's short. Like, my question to myself is, were the grays there when I was getting my hair colored? Like, were they there the whole time? Or are they new? I would gander it's a bit of both because baby, being a interior designer, baby, the way these contractors and be putting me through it, child. It's a lot of work. It's not glitz and glam, and it's a lot of sweat equity and sometimes some tears. If you guys want to see Monica do my hair, she actually put that on her channel. So, and maybe I'll take you guys behind the scenes there too. Whenever I go back to get like a new haircut, I'll probably go to her for my next cut because I'm sure me and my boyfriend didn't do like a 100% job, but we got pretty close. We got pretty close. I'm so proud. I would consider now myself straight hair natural. And I know that I've discussed this a couple of times, like back in 2020, back in 2021, and in 2022. I was like, I love the curls. I've had my curls for so long. I have embraced them. I love them. I still love them. But in this season of my life, I think that this is the easiest to maintain. And so this is what I've been doing. I do want to do a tutorial. It's like doing tutorials in your 20s is totally different than doing them now in my 30s. Like, I'm like, oh, I don't want to do this, but I'm going to try to get that to you guys because my hair regimen is so much more simple. So I can't wait to share more of, you know, my hair journey now as a straight hair natural, like what implications are there to my natural curls. Like, am I gonna go back to wearing my hair more curly? Am I gonna grow my hair back out? I've even thought about locks at some point, maybe like down the line, not anytime soon. I will say I have been very blessed. 2024 was a challenging year. I have to push past those challenges this year. Even if it is, my goal is to work through those things and to really focus on discipline, effort, and consistency, no matter what that looks like, no matter what that naturally flows into. The path of least resistance is for that. I have to put myself where I need to be, and I know that I can, and I know that I am, and I cannot wait to share this new part of my life. I've settled into my house since the last time you guys have seen me. I've been in here 3 years now. I've done so much with my home. If you follow me on social media, you know that I've completely transformed my house. Well, I wouldn't say transformed it, but I've definitely like, first floor is done. I do plan on doing more fun things to it this year, going into next year. Then with the Creativity Studios, y'all, I have found my purpose in life. I have found what I'm supposed to be doing. I am walking in my purpose. And honestly, that's what has taken me away from influencing and from YouTube. Interior design has come naturally or instinctually to me, but it's still a new industry that I hadn't been in before. And so I had to really pivot in ways that it like depleted me a lot of the time. You just kind of have to make those sacrifices. But I said that this year I'm really going to fight through that because I want to share my word. Like, I love what I do. I am great at what I do, and I want people to see it and have my designs all over. And so I definitely plan on sharing behind the scenes on projects if you guys are interested. But right now, if you could just leave in the comment section below what you guys would like to see. Do you want to see tutorials? Do you want to see more hair? Do you want to go into more lifestyle? And then also using shorts in between. I think that's a really good way for me to kind of stay active on my channel and for not to feel so overwhelming with my work schedule and, you know, managing a house, building community, and still living my life, and, you know, in a new relationship, and just a lot going on. And so I just wanted to just come to you guys, talk about my hair, give a few life updates, and to just introduce you guys back to me and where I am. And I can't wait to share this year. And yeah, I look forward to it, and I hope that you guys do too. Please don't forget to like, share, comment down below, share with a friend, like the video. Oh, and so next video is going to be me talking all about my favorite hair products that I'm using right now, hair tools, like all of the new things that I'm using to keep this hair looking like this. Product, technique, those two things will keep your hair, especially if you're wearing it flat ironed or blow dried, that's gonna keep your hair on point. So make sure y'all stay tuned because I have some really good, surprising probably, products that I think you guys would be interested in seeing. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.